I need help. I don't know what's up with me, y'all.
Afterwards, she didn't want no more. She didn't want no more chicken.
I don't know what's up with me, y'all. There's something wrong with me. But what's up, guys? It is your boy Tony B, and we back again with another lit video. And today we working on the Z again, y'all. I'm telling y'all, we are not playing. I was messing with some of the wiring off camera. I know. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm sorry, but I won't do that anymore.
Psych!
That's why today's video is gonna be probably boring, but we're gonna clean up the interior. I'm telling y'all, I'm gonna bring y'all through all the steps that I'm going through to get this thing to where I want it to be. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna clean up the interior just a little bit. I don't know if I'm gonna do the carpet and extract on the seats and all that stuff yet. That may be a separate video. Almost didn't get it out there. Y'all bear with me. I don't know what just happened then, y'all. But yeah, it's gonna be probably a separate video, but I'm not gonna talk much. Gotta get this video out. So I just got a little cleaning products. I got it from what you call it? Can't even remember. Chemical Guys. Chemical Guys got a couple brushes, so we're gonna get all that going. Probably gonna get all the miscellaneous trash out of there first, and then we're gonna go from there. Y'all heard that train? All right, y'all, let's go. I think we're gonna start at the back, so come follow me.
Cocaine is a drug.
You stupid.
One snap of your finger.
All right, y'all. Got the trunk kind of put together a little bit. To show y'all real quick. It's going to be some things that need to be replaced back here. I think it's like some insulation that need to be replaced under here. That's why that's all floppy. But I just cleaned and conditioned the plastic. You know, when you don't do that with plastic, you know, it starts getting ashy. I guess right here I end up just like tucking this and maybe spraying this the same color just to make it look a little better. Because as you know, fabric gets a little faded in the sun. But pretty much we are done with this back part. Don't look at the stains back here, because we're not gonna extract the carpet in this video. We're pretty much just gonna hit everything but the carpets and the seats, and then we'll address that at another time. But yeah, let's go ahead and dog it. This is another thing I hate being at this house, bro. This dang wash and dryer so loud. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and, you know, get inside the cabin and clean that up. Later. All right, guys, it's a new day, but we are still working on the Z. Yes, sir. Interior cleaning at full effect. So if you guys are just not, they gonna just not tune in, and we're in the middle of the video. Come on. But we're going to go ahead and clean up this old nasty part of the car. Ugh. I don't think we're gonna do the seats and stuff. What we're gonna do is probably just do like the doors, like condition them and clean them. You know, just some of the interior, the dash, steering wheel, center console. I think we're gonna have to extract the seats. We're not gonna do that in this episode. Don't have an extractor. Just trying to find a good quality one that we can actually do some work to these seats. But yeah, not gonna talk much. We're just gonna get to work. I know y'all. I know this video is gonna be boring. I don't care, because I'm taking y'all through the whole process. And yeah, I'm looking kind of rough, but yeah, it's okay. It's all right. Y'all still love your boy, right?
Nope.
y'all thought y'all gonna get a 30-minute video out of me? Nah, y'all gonna have to come back for part 2.
Man, I don't know what to say. That stink, don't it? Ugh.